Picture this: a factory buzzing with innovative machines, working at breakneck speeds, turning raw materials into groundbreaking products that propel your business forward. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, it doesn't have to be. In today's fast-paced world, gaining a competitive edge in the dynamic manufacturing landscape is crucial, and there's no better way to achieve that than by embracing automation. Here's our top 5 reasons why you should automate your assembly lines and begin reaping the benefits of this remarkable technology. Number 5. Boost productivity. Number 4. Deliver unwavering quality. Number 3. Reduce operational costs. Number 2. Worker safety and satisfaction. And the number 1 reason why you should automate your assembly lines is to future-proof your business. For more on how we can design and build the future together, visit eclipseautomation.com.